What's up guys, back in with a video. So today I want to show you guys the top 3 most useful features, at least to me, the most useful features that you are going to be using almost every day if you get used to it. So top 3 useful features on the Windows 10. Now I know Windows 10 came out a couple of months ago and all that. I know I'm super late, but I just wanted to make this video because some of you guys probably don't know, or maybe you guys know but probably don't know how things work. So today I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and start, and I hope it's gonna go well. Alright, coming at number 3, Microsoft Edge. Okay, so this is their new browser, and now I'm not going to talk about the browser. I'm not going to advertise about the browser or anything. I'm going to talk about its feature. Okay, so the most important feature is the make it web mode. Okay, now if you're coming from Samsung, if you're a Note user, then you know what I'm talking about here. So you can highlight things, you can underline things, you can write some stuff. It works basically like a Note coming from Samsung Galaxy Note, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, whatever. But it is pretty cool. I mean, especially if you really want to show something to your friend. For example, you want to highlight this title here. You highlight it. You can also change the color, size, and whatnot. Let's get the erase tool and erase it. Just click on it and it erases. And then I want to choose the medium size and then maybe highlight it right now. Looks pretty good and polished. Let's say I want to underline something. You can also change the color. I'm going to choose the red. Let's underline safety. Let's underline high school football teams. And that's basically it. So your main focus is here. Now let's crop it. Or you can also add some messages, which I'm not going to do right now because it's going to look ugly. I'm just saying, if you want, you can go ahead and do so. To crop it, you just select the part that you want to show it to, let's say your friend, and you select it, and that's basically it. You can save it. And another thing that I really wish to have is if Microsoft is watching this, please Microsoft, let us save the image to the desktop, but no, they made it harder. You can do it. I'm going to show it to you guys. It's pretty easy, but it's just a little bit complicated and a lot more extra steps. You can also share it to the OneNote. You can mail it, you can tweet it. But most of you, or what I do is I just save it and then send it to my friend in the message or something. To save it, you're gonna click on this save. What does it say? Save web note, and then you're just gonna send it to quick note. Send it, and you're gonna click view, and then there you go. It shows right here. To save it, I think you can save it from the OneNote, but I don't know how to do it. But it's pretty easy. You're gonna copy it, and then you're gonna open up Paint. You can also do it in Photoshop, but let's do it in the Paint because it's more easier. And then you just paste it here. You don't want this white part, so you're gonna select. You're gonna do the same stuff again. You're gonna select the part you want to show it to your friend. You don't want this outside thing. You don't want the extra white, I don't know, background, I suppose. You don't want that thing. So you just select it and you crop it and you save it. You name it whatever you want and you save it wherever you want. And that's basically it. And then you open it up. That's all. That's basically it. So it is, I believe it's a good feature if you want to show something to your friend, and I believe it works perfectly. I mean, it works for me, it should work for you, and it should work for everyone who's using Windows 10, and it is my number 3 feature. Alright, moving on to number 2. At number 2, I got text view. What is text view if you ask? It's basically allowing you to add a new desktop. Why would you need to add new desktop? I mean, if you're someone who do a lot of work, so a lot of, I don't know, like personal work, business work at the same time, it's for them. If you have a lot of family, for example, I mean, I have only one desktop PC and I have my parents who use the same PC. I can just make a new desktop for them, and they would just use that desktop, and when they're done I will switch back to my desktop, which is desktop number 1. I'm gonna go through it a little bit later, but I just wanted to I'm gonna go through the desktop now, but I just wanted to go over it if you didn't know. Okay, so just click on here and add new desktop. For example, this new desktop could be your business work. Okay, you're doing all your office work and whatnot. If you want to switch to your personal desktop, you just click on this and select desktop number 1. That's basically it. It's that simple. I mean it is kind of self-explanatory if you ask me. Yeah, so on desktop 2 you can do whatever you want. You can add a lot of desktop. It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter, I guess. So think of it like if you have like 3-4 monitors, you can use each monitor for different things. This basically works the same. You can use all these desktop for different things. One for YouTube, another one for Facebook, another one for I don't know. But it's not going to be as easy as adding up multiple monitors. And it's not like having multiple monitors in front of you, but still it is useful for a lot of users. So I just want to thank Microsoft for adding this feature, because I do use it and I know a lot of people use it. So that is my number 2, and moving on to number 1. At number 1, I've got Cortana. Here is Cortana. You can ask Cortana anything you want. Before you can use Cortana, you're gonna have to sign into your Microsoft account. If you haven't already, you're gonna have to create one. Just log into your Microsoft account, and that's basically it. You can ask Cortana anything, or you can search Cortana anything. So for example, if you want to go to google.com or maybe facebook.com, let's say I want to go to let's say google.com, and you just search it, and it searches up. You know, it's going to open up your default browser, and whatever address you type in here, it's going to open up on the Google Chrome. You can also search up anything that's in your computer. For example, you want to open let's say I want to open this PC so that I can access to my C drive and all that, or you can say I want to uninstall a program, right? Uninstall, it shows right there, program and features, which takes you here where you can uninstall programs. And yeah, not only that, Cortana can also answer your questions. So if you ask Cortana, just like Siri or Google now, it will respond you. So let me ask what's the weather going to be tomorrow, how's the weather going to be tomorrow, and you're gonna see she's gonna respond back. Okay, so let's go. What's the weather like tomorrow? Okay, she did respond. Okay, I don't know if you heard that. Maybe I have that turned off, but I don't know. She can respond you back, and yeah, you can ask her some personal question, I guess. Maybe, how you doing, Cortana? Okay, that was wrong. How you doing, Cortana? Okay, she said excellent. So it basically works like Siri and Google now. More like Siri, I guess. Yeah, that's basically it. You can ask her anything you want. So these are the top 3 features in my list, in my useful list. I use it every day, every time. These are the 3 useful features of Windows 10, which I really love, and I should really, I mean, I have to thank Microsoft for adding these features that you know, makes our life easier. But anyways, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't upgraded to Windows 10, please do so. The bugs are, you know, they are fixed, and I'm not really experiencing any bugs like I did on day 1. So So things are getting better, and Microsoft seems to be seems to care about Windows 10 a lot, including the Xbox app, which is in here as well. You can stream Xbox games and all that. So yeah, Microsoft is doing a really good job. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you liked it, please do like it. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.